Hi, welcome to our rendering tips series. In this video, we will show how to render animations for two types of lampshades, fabric and paper. Please note that a single-sided model is better for the lampshade, which helps you achieve the desired effect with ease. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe to our channel. First, fabric lampshade. Select the lampshade material with the hotkey I and import a base color map. Then you can give it a normal map of fabric with high intensity. Adjust the UV and pull the roughness to a higher value, such as 0.8. To better check the lighting transition, you can put a point light into the center of the lamp. Adjust its intensity and color temperature, such as 3,500 Kelvin, making the light a bit warmer. Reduce the attenuation radius. This way, there will be a gradual light transition from the center to the outer edge. Yet the lampshade is still not translucent at this point. Why? The answer is cloth. You should change its material template to cloth and pull up the fall-off value. This way, the edge will be whitish, looking more lifelike. That's it. The translucent lampshade is complete. Second, paper lampshade. The above process of making a fabric lampshade also works on paper kind. After importing the base color map, normal map, and roughness map for the paper texture, you can quickly create a paper lampshade. Finishing the lampshade material, you can make an animation for turning on the light. First, set the first and last frames on the timeline. Add 2 keyframes when the light is on and off. Click play to check the animation. That's it. That completes our tips and tricks tutorial for lampshades. Thanks for watching.